The 2012 Alfa Romeo Giulietta by Avio Costruzioni. It's been a while since we last heard anything about the Alfa Romeo Giulietta, but a tuning firm has picked it up anyway with the intention of jazzing it up a bit. Italian tuning firm, Avio Costruzioni, under the coordination of Laurent Miller, has developed a very impressive tuning kit for the Italian hatchback. In fact, this a one-off kit priced at €40,000 or about $53,000 at the current exchange rates. Guess even hatchback owners have to pay for exclusivity. The first thing the tuning company did was douse the subcompact car with a unique two-tone paint job that combines dark gray for the lower body with a Lamborghini-sourced white Ballon pearl paint for the upper part of the body, as well as the wheels. Under the hood, the car's standard 1750 TBI turbocharged four-cylinder engine has been tuned to deliver a total of 270 HP and 284 pound-feet of torque, up from the standard 235 HP and 250 pound-feet. The Giulietta was also fixed up with a KW suspension that allows the driver to choose between multiple settings.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.